Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today we have a Songmont unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we do have an unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like, and ding a little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. So yes, you guys, I have a Songmont unboxing. If you saw in my collection video, handbag collection video that I just posted a couple of videos ago, I said that I had one more unboxing to do, but I wanted to go ahead and show you that bag in the video. So if you have seen that video, then you already know what bag this is, but if you have not seen that video, then we're going to be unboxing this together because it is a fantastic Songmont bag and I'm super excited about it. I literally saw this bag after, okay, my brain is all over the place because I just woke up. I'm really tired. But basically, they have this bag in a bigger size, and I saw the bigger size first. And I placed the order for the bigger size. But then, literally like a day after I placed the order, they sent me an email saying that their small version of this had just been released. And I was like, oh my God, I want the small one more than I want the medium one. So I emailed them and I was like, can you please cancel the order? It hasn't shipped yet because I want to place the order for the small one instead. And they did. So now I have this here. So I won't keep you too long. So we're gonna go ahead and just do the unboxing. Now it's not a blind unboxing because I have already seen this. Of course, as you know, I took it out and it was in the collection video. So it's not a true unboxing, but it does have its own crossbody strap. Now this is not a Luna bag, you may be wondering, but we do have this beautiful ivory color going on here. So it is in the ivory color. This is a crossbody strap, but to be totally honest, I would never use the crossbody strap with this bag. So I ended up taking it off, but you can wear a crossbody. And here is the bag. It comes in this beautiful Songmont dust bag. As you know, I actually love the feeling of these bags. The dust bags, they're like really fun to play with. But before I fully take it out, go on down in the comments, leave a comment what you think the bag is, and then come back and we'll see if you were correct. So here we go. Guys, this is the Drippy Roof Tote. This is in the small size. Again, like I said, there's a medium size that's going to be bigger than this, but I really wanted to get the small. It is so freaking cute. Are you kidding me? It looks like a little, it looks like origami. It's amazing. I don't know who came up with the design of this bag, but I think it's the coolest thing I've ever seen. It's so unique. Let me actually bring it up close so I can show you in full details. So here is the front, and if you can see, it does have the Songmont logo right there, and it has this beautiful top handle that you can wear like this, or you can easily put this on the crook of your arm. It's not going to be a shoulder bag. You can't really put this on your shoulder. At least I don't think you can. No. So not a shoulder bag. It does have this beautiful droop right here, and it gets even more droopy when you put stuff in it. Let me tell you, it's so freaking cool. And then if you turn it to the side, it has these little flaps on either side of the bag, and you can just put stuff in it. Like you can fit your phone in here. I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max and it fits inside of this little pocket. It currently has a case on it, so with a case you really have to like force it down in there, but if you didn't have a case, or I'm sure with time the leather will kind of warm up and it'll be easier to get your phone in and out of here, but you can just have your phone on the side of your bag. That's amazing. And you can put something else on this side. This bag does have feet. It has two on either side to help it stand. Here's what the back looks like. There's nothing on the back, just simple. And then right here we still have the tag. I haven't taken the tag off yet. I don't know why. On the inside it opens like this. So it opens with little magnets on the top. Kind of gives like puzzle vibes, like puzzle bag vibes. and then it's currently stuffed on the inside. And then on the inside, it's this beautiful chocolate brown color, and it does have one kind of open pocket on the back wall, and that's it. No other pockets, but just beautiful, beautiful handbag. This bag really gives me like puzzle bag vibes from the Wave, but it also kind of gives me Romy vibes from Celine, if you've ever seen the Celine Romy bag. So it's kind of like if the Romy and the puzzle bag had a baby and they just grew these little wings on the side. That's what this reminds me of. Let me go to Songmont's website so I can give you all of the other details. Small drippy roof bag. They have it currently in ivory, which is this color. They have it in a beautiful green, like a mint green color. And then they also have it in this beautiful kind of charcoal, they call it stardust, but like a gray black. It says that it is made out of full grain leather. The interior is microfiber leather. The dimensions of the bag is 9.49 inches long. It is 4.72 inches in height. And then the depth is 3.54 inches. Again, it does come with a crossbody strap. I took it off when I got the bag and I can't figure out how to get it back on. So I might have to like watch a video or something about that, because it is a bit difficult to get the crossbody strap back on because it hooks on like underneath the flaps, and then it like goes into this little hole and then it goes around, and it's just a little bit difficult for me to get back in. But then again, I'm not gonna crossbody this bag. Like, I do think this is like a very handheld or like crook of the elbow bag for me personally. The weight of this bag, it says that without the strap, it is 0.88 pounds. So it's not even 1 pound. And then it doesn't give a strap drop for this here, but it's a very small drop, maybe like a couple of inches. But it does say the crossbody strap is between 36.22 inches to 51.18 inches. So you can definitely make it pretty long if you wanted to do that. But yeah, and also it cost $435. Again, I think that they might have increased the price already. I don't know. I paid $422 for this bag, but I did use a 10% off discount, so maybe that's why. This bag is going to fit a ton of stuff. I will show you what fits inside right now. It's gonna fit a ton. Let me just tell you, this is like it reminds me of like a duffel bag, but it's a really big one and it's very wide. So you're gonna be able to fit a lot in here. So let me just get started. I have my mini pochette accessoire, and then inside of here, it's all the same stuff that you've seen before. I have my lip balm right here. I have hand sanitizer. I have gum, of course. I have a travel mirror that I love to carry with me. And then I have my ibuprofen right here. So that literally pretty much stays the same inside of my mini pochette accessoire. So that can just go just in there. Like, it's just in there. And there's so much more space still. You can see it right in there. And then this bag will easily fit a full-size sunglasses case. This one is a Saint Laurent sunglasses case, and I have my new Chanel sunglasses in here as of right now. But I love that I can just carry a full-size sunglasses case with me and it just not be an issue whatsoever, because you can't do that with every bag. So there it is. You can see that. It's kind of hard to see, but it is in there. I will go ahead and just throw my phone in here just so you can see. I have, again, the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this does go in here literally with no issues. You have so much room in this bag that you can fit everything. And then I have my card holder, or like my card case. I got this Celine one that can go in here, and I'll just put it in front of my phone. Again, so wide. Everything just stacks in front of the other. And then for my little miscellaneous things, I have my Dior hand cream. I have my AirPods that can go just on the side. And then I have my 3 little bits, my 3 little extra bits. I've got a Dior lip gloss that I like to just carry with me. And I've got a pen and a travel fragrance that just kind of goes on top. And you can probably even fit more in this bag if you wanted to. This is just the stuff that I had on hand upstairs. And then here's what it looks like when it's like full. I love it so much. It does get a little bit heavy, I'm not gonna lie. This is a little bit heavy, but it's not bad by any means, and it is just beautiful. Also, if you didn't want to have your phone inside of your bag, I do want to show you that you can, of course, fit the phone on the side right here. It's really like a tight fit. Oh my God. Like I said, it is a very tight fit, and I feel like if you're doing this more often, then it will be easier to get it in here. This is great. Like, it is just right there at hand's reach. You're never gonna need to like really open your bag to get your phone out if you wanted to do it this way. Again, I don't usually carry my phone in my bag because I typically always wear pants with pockets, but if I forgot to wear pants with pockets or something, I could totally fit my phone right here. Of course, it would fit so much better if you had a thinner case on it. Like, this case that I have is pretty thick on here. Yeah, this bag fits an absolute ton of stuff. It is so big. I am obsessed with this bag. I love the vibe. I love the way it looks. It is incredible. And yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this bag. Let me know in the comments what you think of this bag. Do you like the vibe? Do you like the shape? What are your thoughts? Would you buy this bag? Would you not buy this bag? Just leave me a comment down below telling me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again for watching this video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.